Umlilo oqoqisayo ophenjelelwa ngumoya obhudlayo ushiye obubutyobo ngasemva. Uluntu lishiyeke lize licela amalizo. Libongoza ngelithi urhulumente makabakhele izindlu zokwenene.
I think government can do better. Maybe can move us here and build proper houses for us. Because it's been happening and happening. Even we can build today, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow.
Anything, they must clean everything. They must build houses, the flats, like everyone else, like your daughters, they stay safe there. No, the people, they can't stay like this.
Isixeko saseKapa sithi sakuthi sakugqiba ukuhlola umonakalo sinikeze uluntu izinto zokwakha izindlu zithutyana.
We are moving people, but part of the problem is that people who have received houses, they come back and re-erect informal structures. We are working with our law enforcement teams to make sure that we find a way of curbing that particular problem, but it's a problem that is across the city.
We need to clear the site, and that will commence within the next hour or so. Trucks is already underway to see to the picking up of the debris, and it will take about 2 days for the site to be cleared.
Okwakaloku njenana abahlali abachaphazelekileyo bahleliswe kwiholo yoluntu. Njengomlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.